This is a ELM327 Bluetooth OBDII connector. It connects onto your car, and today I'm going to hook it up to my Ford, and we'll see how well it runs. This was about $15 or $20, I can't remember, shipped off of eBay. I got this because my other car kept throwing error codes, and I wanted to be able to read them. And along with that, I also found out that this can do a lot of other displays of information that you probably didn't even know your car was even gathering. But it was a cheapo out of Hong Kong, I think, and it says ELM327 interface on here, and has a Bluetooth icon because it connects to your phone via Bluetooth, which is really slick, and I'll show you how that connects. But this thing plugs onto the OBDII connector. I have a hard time remembering OBDII, but it connects onto your connector in your car. When it connects, it looks like this. And you have to, on your phone, you have to turn the Bluetooth on, and I will do that right now. You have to go into your settings, wireless networks, and I'm just going to show you how you can connect this to the to that ELM or that OBDII thing. Hit Bluetooth settings, and you'll see you hit scan for devices and paired, and you'll find that CHX. Actually, it'll be a bunch of numbers when you do it, but the connect code is 6789. And once you have it connected, see it says paired but not connected. But once it's paired, I mean not connected. Once it's paired, you can come in and you can start up a program called Torque. And Torque, they got a free version and a pay version. And here's Torque starting up. This is the free version right now. I'll probably end up getting the full version. But you can see up here at the top, it says it's checking the protocols. It's actually connecting to it right now. Well, it's probably not going to connect yet because I don't have my car running. But you can go, but when you get it the first time, after you get it paired, you have to come in here to the more, down into settings, scroll down to connection, click on that one. You have to choose make sure it says Bluetooth. Then down here to device, and click on your device, the CHX in this case. And then once that's there, you can start up your car, and we should see some changes happen. Okay, now the Bluetooth down there, or the OBDII connector, is connecting. It's trying to connect to it. It's checking the protocol. It's talking to the piece down there, and you can kind of see some activity going on down there because it's talking to it. Then automatic search, and it says connected to ECU. Okay, so now it's actually connected. And so with this, at this point, we can see the different things here. These are just the default things it came with. It has a boost accelerometer, throttle, and if I push on the gas, you can see the throttle actually moving, and it's pretty good, pretty close to real time. I mean, see how fast the numbers change when I push on the gas, let off the gas. Here's some other stuff. The accelerator. Oh. Let's see what else it has on here. These are just the defaults here. Here it can show you your speed, GPS height, all this interesting stuff that you never knew your car actually knew about itself. You can see how much fuel you have, and right now you got 63.1% there at the bottom. Just at idle, the throttle's at 14.1. It has all this information, and all I did was hook up that thing, and you can see it's kind of going crazy now with all the data it's gathering and sending over here via Bluetooth to my phone. Let's see, and this is a custom page I made. You can add widgets on here that show different things. Let me see if I can find some blank space. There we go. And you click on the menu button, add display, And you can pick what type of graph you want, or what type of display you want. Dial, display, fuel, all data. But if I do graph, you can come in here and it has a whole mess of stuff. Here's the engine RPM. We'll do medium. You can see there it was what it looks like if I rev up the engine. It is so fast in terms of how fast it responds. It's like almost immediate. So here, I'll hit it hard. There is a hard hit, and there's another one. And you can see it's responding so fast. I didn't think that this would work. I've messed with the free OBDII sensors down at Advanced Auto Parts and O'Reilly's, and you know, they're just generic ones. But this one actually is pretty decent. Add display. We'll try to put something else in here. You can show the same thing, the engine RPM on a dial instead, and just same thing. If I gas it, it turns up and it comes back down. It also has a way to record trip mileage and stuff like that. But this is really useful. I'm probably going to try this on our next trip we take and see how well it does, and then probably end up buying the full version. But it's really good. The program's called Torque, and the adapter down there is one I got off eBay for like 15 bucks shipped to my house.